divide 632 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 3 and it is 23. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 0. So 632 divided by 4 is 158. So this much for today and thanks for watching.